welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Jade and I post videos over here at least 3 times a week. But today we have a very special video. So today's video is going to be my official house move. This is so crazy. I feel like I've been building up to this video for so long now. We started the move I think back in April, so it's been going so long, and today is officially the day, so I wanted to share that with you guys, bring you along with me on this journey. I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's just get straight into it. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this, and let's get started with today's video. I have no idea how much I'm going to be able to vlog today. Like, it's so crazy. It's so busy already, which is mad. So we are still packing a couple of bits up. We've got most of the things actually packed into boxes. It's just an odd little bit. Like, we've got the odd like knife and fork and stuff like that need to go. I have moved my car, so my car's no longer here. It's like a good 5-minute walk away because there's no car parking spaces and we need a space for the van. I'm just gonna get changed because I am so hot right now, but the room just looks so weird. Literally the house looks so strange right now. This is our living room right now. We have no rug. You can literally see the space where the rug's been for the last years. We have no paintings. It's just so bare. It's so weird. It does look very messy right now because we've got boxes everywhere. But this is literally how it's looking. It's just so weird. And I feel like we just picked like the worst possible day to move. Like, it's raining so bad. Like, it looks so blue in here, but it's really not. It's raining so bad. I've still got tonsillitis. I've still got a chest infection. So it's going to be a chaotic day, but it'll be absolutely fine. The dogs are still on their little holiday. For anyone that might not have seen my last vlog, we took the dogs to like my cousin's house and their little dog sitter, so they're going to be pretty happy there. The rabbits and guinea pigs are at the farm. So at least we don't need to worry about them being safe or anything like that because they're all very sorted. But this room is literally filled with boxes. It's so crazy. I've never seen so many boxes in my life. And we still have quite a few yet to fill. So we have been packing stuff all morning. It is so chaotic at the moment. We're currently in the middle of packing the TV in this big box. The removal man was supposed to be here like 10 minutes ago, so we're a little bit anxious about that because they did seem a little bit unprofessional on the phone, if I'm being completely honest, because we have to do a Skype call to show them the house. So we're just really hoping that they turn up, because if not, we are in a world of trouble. But we are packing the rest of the things up. I now need to go and get all the skyboxes and the DVD players from upstairs and pack them. I have moved my car out of the way now. I wanted to vlog in my car and just chat to you guys for a bit, but I've just not had time. I also want to just sit and do like a bit of hair and makeup and just talk to you guys, but lol, there's definitely not going to be any time for that at all today. If I get a chance, I'll put some mascara on, but that's going to be about it. So the garage is still pretty full. We've got quite a few things in here, but mainly everything in here is packed and kind of all in boxes. I need to come in here to try and find a lid container. So we've already got the container, we just need the lid for it. I feel like that one could do, so I'm going to have a go with that one and see if it fits. It's about 8:30. The people supposed to be here at 8. They've not turned up. My auntie's out with the dog. I've just started packing the TV. We've had to use a lot of bubble wrap on it because the stuff that we're going to use, we use for something else, which we didn't even realise. It's just such madness right now. Like, I've never moved house before, so this is such a weird thing. But I'm just looking around and there's so much still to do. And I think we're supposed to be leaving here at 1:30. So we've got like 5 hours. So it's just gonna be madness. I don't know how much I'm gonna do at a vlog because it's just not an easy thing to vlog, is moving. On the actual moving day, it's just not an easy thing to vlog, but I'll just get as much as I can for you guys. We have just rung the removal men, and I've just come into my car because I've got a couple of things I had to drop off in my car. But we have just rung the removal men, and I don't think they even knew they were supposed to be here today. They texted us like 2 days ago for confirmation, being like, is it still going ahead? And we're like, yeah, it's still going ahead. We rang them like 2 days ago anyway to tell them like the date's been confirmed and all that kind of thing. And they were supposed to be here over half an hour ago. So my dad just rang them, being like, what's going on, why aren't you here? He didn't really know what was going on. Like, my dad was like, hiya, it's so-and-so, and you're supposed to be here today, you're supposed to be here at 8, and he was like, wait, what? And he had no idea what was going on. So they're supposed to have 3 vans and 9 people, but he says that they've got 2 vans on the way and they're late because there was a breakdown or something. But at least we've rung them and it's hopefully getting sorted. They said they'll be down here within the next 20 minutes. My dad was pretty annoyed though, so as long as they are here in the next 20 minutes, which fingers crossed they will be. The packing is definitely coming along now. it just feels like as soon as we do something, it feels like there's a whole new like load of jobs to do, which is fine. I feel like we've got all the washing finished, all of the cutlery is now packed, I think everything in the kitchen's packed, nearly everything in the living room is. I've bubble wrapped the TV and I've put all the like DVD players and everything away. I just need to get the TV into its box, but I'm gonna have to get my mum to help me with that because it is such a big TV and I'm terrified of breaking it. I also need to help dismantle my dad's bed, so that's going to be a problem for later on. The people were supposed to be doing that, but we don't know if they're going to have time now because they'll end up being like an hour late, so we don't know if they're going to have time. We're supposed to be out of the property by 1:30 to set off to our new house, and the new people are going to be setting off from theirs at 1:30, so hopefully it should work out okay, but we'll just have to see. I'm going to be driving down in my car, my mum's going to be with me in the passenger seat, my dad's in his car, and then my auntie's in her car with her dog and parrot. So we're pretty organised with that. It's just the one thing that annoys me is that because I'm still on my antibiotics, I'm supposed to be eating like at certain times of the day. I can't eat like whenever I feel like it, so I had my antibiotics when I woke up, then I had to wait an hour to eat, and now I've got to wait 2 hours and then I can have some more antibiotics. So basically I can eat every 3 hours, which is a little bit frustrating because with the move it's really hard to just plan out when you're eating and things like that because we don't really know where we're going to be when, but we're going to end up working it out. So that's a little bit of an update for you all, but I'm going to head back to the house now and see what I can get done. But I'm not happy because my car is parked like a 5-minute walk away from the house and it is raining so badly, so I really don't want to get wet, but I feel like that's just gonna happen. Especially today, we're gonna be going in and out of the house with boxes, so it's probably gonna end up happening anyway, but we can try prolong the dry hair for as long as we can. So it's about 9:10 and the removal men have now arrived, which is a lot of stress off. So we're gonna start getting everything into the van. It's now like officially happening, so yeah, let's get moving. It was way too dark to show you guys last night what my car is looking like now. It's all packed. So I've got in the front, I've got my purple backpack with all my work stuff, my mum's bag and a coat. And then we get into this part and it is honestly jam-packed full. I have so much stuff. I've got like my mirror, my dressing table bits, a few of my pallets because I don't want my pallets and stuff to get broken. I've got another cherries box down there with pallets in. Got a bin bag just full of stuff. And then back there I've just got so many like boxes and suitcases and then more stuff in my boot. So my car is all packed and ready to go. We are really getting there now. I'll give you guys a bit of an update of how it's going. The conservatory is full. The living room, I'm going to have to tidy up because right now, this is what it looks like on the floor because we just moved the sofas and so much stuff fell out of the bottom of the sofas. There's like 7 pairs of socks, there's just SD cards, everything just everywhere. So I'm going to tidy this up now, give it a hoover, but it's actually come along quite well. I'm quite impressed with how well it's going. My car is so full right now. It just looks so weird. Like, how crazy does this look? My house is literally so empty right now. I don't even know how much footage I've got or like what this vlog's going to be like, but I hope it's going to be okay for you guys. I don't know what time it is now. I think it's like 10:30, 11 o'clock. I think it might be 11. I'm very, very hungry, but I can't eat anything because my antibiotics for another hour. So an hour and we might have some lunch. I'm not really sure what we're going to have for lunch, but yeah, we'll see. It's getting very exciting though now. We're filling van number 1. Van number 2 is going to be filled soon. It's a smaller one. However, we're still waiting for van number 3. It hasn't actually turned up yet, so I don't know if that's like still coming or if that's just not coming at all, or I don't really know what's going on with that, so we just have to wait and see. I've come to get some lunch because I can now officially eat. So I've got a chip sandwich, my mum's got a cake sandwich, and my dad's got a fish and chip sandwich. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited. We are now at Tesco's. I've just had my sandwich and it was amazing. So we're now at Tesco's. We're just gonna grab a couple of bits, some coffee for my auntie, a couple of snacks for on the road. I might get another smoothie, and yeah, we just need a couple of bits. My dad needs some drinks too. And then we're probably going to go back to the house, see how it's doing. It is really getting there now. We're just waiting for that third van to come. I genuinely didn't think it was going to come at one point, but now they said that it's on the way and they're going to be getting all the garage stuff and all of the garden stuff in there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, within the next hour or two we should be done. So the vans are now packed. We are waiting for the third van to arrive. It should be here any minute now. I'm going to grab my camera out because I've been vlogging on my phone for the last little bit. I'm going to grab my camera out and I'm going to film my empty house tour. So my dad has just set off to go and collect the keys, which is very, very exciting. I am just waiting for the last van to arrive. Hopefully it should be here any minute now, apparently. We have been told that for the last like 20 minutes though, so we'll see. But now we are just going to wait for that. The first two are complete and they're like, there's one sat there behind me and there's one sat there behind me. But yeah, it's very exciting. Feels like something's actually moving now, but within the next hour, hopefully we should be setting off. I'm driving in my car with my mum, my auntie's driving in her car. My dad's already set off, so hopefully I'll have some more updates for you guys soon. So the van is officially packed. This is the very last one and it's about to set off. Completion has officially happened. This is no longer our house. I don't even know how to feel. I kind of feel like a bit emotional, but I feel really happy too. Like, I'm really excited. Like, my dad's already in Blackpool. The vans have left, they're on their way now. But then at the same time, this has been my home and now it's not anymore, which is so sad. But yeah, I'm now doing the last look around, making sure that we haven't missed anything and making sure we're all ready to go, and we'll be setting off very, very soon. So I'll probably see you guys. Might take a couple of clips on the road, but other than that, I'll probably see you guys at the new house. We are finally here. We are finally in our new house. This has been a nightmare. I'm gonna have to do like a full story time on this because I'm not gonna have time in this video to do it because it is ridiculous the stuff that's happened. But we are finally here. I need to do an empty house tour. But yeah, we are finally here and it is so beautiful. It was such a nightmare. It's now nearly 6 o'clock and we were supposed to move in at 1:30. But we are here and that is all that matters. So the removal men have now left and it's about 9 o'clock, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I really need to get some rest. My tonsils are killing me, my throat is killing me, my chest is killing me, so I need to get to the doctors in the morning. And I need to register with one first. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I've had the best time filming this and just kind of bringing you guys on this journey with me. So if you have enjoyed this, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.